Hi everyone, welcome to Aura Dance. You don't necessarily need to be trained as a professional ballerina to get those strong slim legs. Here's a set of leg workout inspired by the ballet techniques to help lengthen and strengthen your legs. Let's get started. First up, plies in the air. Lie on your back and bring the legs up to 90 degrees. Flex your feet, keep the heels together and turn out to first position through rotation from the hips. We'll then begin our plies in the air. Bend the legs while keeping the knees pointing to the side. Then push through the heels as you straighten the legs. You should feel the turnout from the hips with the engagement of your glutes. The more you turn out the knees, the bigger the diamond shape you see inside your legs as you plie. Next up, scissors. Point the feet and drop the knees open to the side. Then extend the legs out, opening to a middle split in the air. Bring the legs together and cross the heels in the air. Make sure your legs are straight as you bring them together for the scissors. This can be easier done if you engage the core and zip up the inner thigh tight. Throughout the exercise, try to feel the lengthening of the spine and projecting energy out from the big toes. Next, hip circles. Sit down with the legs in front of you and come down on the elbows parallel to your shoulders. Bring your left knee to the chest, open the knee to the side, extend the leg and squeeze it back together. You should feel the hip joint circling around, which is perfect for releasing any tight hips from long hours of sitting. Watch out for hip lifted on one side as you circle the leg out. You should keep the hips stable and evenly on the floor while circling the leg out. Keep your core tight and don't round the lower back. Keep the chest lifted and neck lengthened. Let's switch side. Again, keep the movement subtle and focus on the circular movement of the hips. Make sure the leg on the floor is straight. Leg raises with bridge. Lie on your back and bend the knees. Send the hips up to a bridge with core and glutes engaged. Pull the knee up and extend the leg out, then lower down with straight leg. Keep the spine lengthened throughout the exercise and beware not to drop the leg all the way down to the floor. The more control you have in your movement, the more strength you're going to build. Let's switch side. Be mindful of keeping your hips level by engaging your core tight. Create that long line from the spine all the way to the big toe and lower the leg down with extension. Keep it up and push through the last few repetitions. Now let's flip over and lie on the tummy for back leg extensions. Separate the legs hip-width distance. Lengthen through the spine and lift the head a few inches away from the hands. Point the feet, extend the back leg, and lift the leg up without lifting the hip bones off the floor. The strength from the core and hamstrings should be what you're using for the leg extension. Be mindful of not bending the knees. Also, don't lift the head too high that causes strain to the lower back. Here comes our final exercise, cross extension. Lie on your side, palms flat on the floor. Bend the top knee and extend the leg straight behind. Keep the core tight to avoid tipping over. You may also want to keep the movement slow and controlled to avoid struggle with your balance. Keep the bottom leg straight and feel the opposition between the fingertips and the toes. Let's switch side. Make sure you're lying out straight without folding or arching. Minimize movement at the hips and just focus on the leg extension to the back while creating that long line along the arm through the feet. If you like this video, please subscribe to the Aura Dance channel. Remember to like, comment, and share the video. I'll see you in the next one.